All right, we want to solve for missing sides here, x and y. First thing to recognize, I've got a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So my side ratios are going to be 1 to root 3 to 2. So anytime I take whatever's across from the 30-degree angle and multiply it by root 3, I'll get whatever's across from the 60-degree angle, which happens to be 12. So let's start there. So y is across from the 30-degree angle. When I multiply that by root 3, I get whatever's across from the 60-degree angle, which happens to be 12. So go through and solve for y. We divide by root 3, divide by root 3, and hopefully we recognize we got a square root in the denominator, so we need to get rid of that and rationalize. The way that I rationalize is I'm going to multiply by that square root that's in the denominator over that square root. So again, we can do this because this is technically just 1. I'm not changing the value of this expression. I'm just changing the form. And when I go forward, root 3 times root 3 is just 3. 12 times root 3 just stays like that. And I can take it one step further and cancel this. I end up with 4 over 1. So y is equal to 4 root 3. So that's my first part. I now need to find x. So the second relationship is when I take the side that's opposite this 30-degree angle, which happens to be the expression that I just found. So I take that thing and I multiply it by 2, I get whatever's across from the 90-degree angle, or in other words, the hypotenuse. So in this problem, x is the hypotenuse. Go through and simplify. 8 root 3 is equal to the hypotenuse, and I'm done.